right, guys, we're up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I got a 1955 Chevrolet. This was a factory 6-cylinder car, but now it's got a V8 265 in it, 56 through 57 model motor. It's 3-speed, 3 on the tree. What I'm gonna do is a little walk around, point out any kind of flaws that I can find. That way you get a detailed description of this car before you come down. You know what you're looking at. I also do test drive videos. I'm gonna take it down the road, point out any kind of flaws that I can find running and driving wise. But as for right now, we're gonna get down low and check everything out. Looks like somebody already replaced the front bumper. The grill's looking pretty shiny, as well as the headlight bezels. I think all that's been replaced. A lot of this trim's been replaced. Got a good set of white walls on it. Tread's still good on these tires. The trim around the windows looks pretty good. On the side of the car as well. Nice and clean looking. Few little bubbles in the paint. It's actually too much paint put on. That's not any kind of rust coming through. It's very solid on the back side. Just a little bit too much paint right there. Rear bumper's also been replaced. Looks like new tailpipes. Trim around the tail lights has been on there a little while, but still looks good. Great condition. It's like the paint's got a little bit of cracking in the back. It's a fairly old paint job. Little chip there on the back by the tail light, passenger side. It's like a little bit of it's kind of busting on the bottom of the car here, the paint bubbling up and cracking. A little bit there as well. So you can see that there. right. Very basic, no power steering. Probably gotta have drum brakes. Go ahead and check out the inside. It's like carpet's been replaced, interior's been taken care of. A lot of it's been redone. You can see on the door panels. So the seats have been redone. Headliner looks great in this car. Carpet's in great shape, it's been replaced. Looks like new seals around the doors. Aftermarket gauges on the dash. We'll check all that on the test drive, make sure it all works. We'll go ahead and pop the trunk. Okay. Seals are still soft on the trunk, but they've been on here a while. You can see the dry cracking. We painted over the insulation in the trunk. It's pretty nice. Fabric. Foam they put down in here. I think majority of it's glued, so I went to pull up that other side and it wouldn't come up. So all right, work this stuff back down in there. We'll shut it up and start the car up. All right. See, the oil pressure's coming up. Temp gauge is starting to come up. It's still cold. See the oil pressure rising up. It's good. Nice quiet motor. All right, this is going to conclude my video. I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, give us a call. 615-822-4444. We'll be happy to help you out. Please check out our website, maplemotors.com. I got 100 detailed pictures of every single car on the lot. I appreciate you watching. I hope to hear from you, and thanks again, guys. Getting ready to go ahead and do my test drive video. I'll be checking up on everything running and driving wise. If you want to watch that, click at the end of this video. I'll put a link there. Thanks again.